Hi, I'm Jenny, the new avatar of AER 360 drones. Thanks for watching a new video from our channel. In this video, we show you Midjourney, an image generator with artificial intelligence that will surprise you. Midjourney is an online platform that uses artificial intelligence to generate personalized images, providing users with a unique and enriching experience on their journey towards personal and professional success. Artificial intelligence is a field of computer science that focuses on creating systems and technologies that mimic human intelligence. These systems can learn, reason, and make decisions autonomously, making them very useful in a wide variety of applications, from robotics to medicine. In the case of Midjourney, artificial intelligence is used to generate personalized images for each user. To achieve this, Midjourney uses machine learning algorithms and artificial neural networks. These algorithms are trained with large amounts of data in order to learn to identify patterns and trends in the information. In summary, Midjourney is an online platform that uses artificial intelligence to generate personalized images and provide a unique and enriching experience on the journey towards personal and professional success. Artificial intelligence is an increasingly important technology in our society, and Midjourney is an example of how it can be effectively used to improve our lives. The images generated by Midjourney are unique to each user, making them much more attractive and effective than the generic images found on most platforms. By being personalized, these images can motivate users to work towards their goals and stay focused on their journey towards success. Furthermore, Midjourney uses artificial intelligence to offer a range of tools and resources that help users identify their strengths, weaknesses, and goals. These tools include personality assessments, personalized coaching, and online courses and workshops. All of this combines to create a unique and innovative experience of learning and personal growth.
In this video we show you how to generate images with Midjourney AI very easily. It will generate images of what you ask the artificial intelligence. A very important recommendation is that before starting to generate images with Midjourney, you look at various tutorials on YouTube about this platform. Since in the free version it only lets you generate 25 test images. So take advantage of them well, you won't regret it.
Midjourney is an online platform that uses artificial intelligence to create personalized images that reflect each user's path to personal and professional success. If you want to learn how to use Midjourney to create your own custom images, follow these simple steps. Complete your profile. Once you have an account, it's important that you complete your profile so Midjourney can generate custom images that reflect your interests, personality, and goals. To do so, follow the platform's instructions to complete your profile. Once inside Midjourney, we can see the images that other users are generating. We are not going to click on newbies, which is the group of beginners in this application. We open the Midjourney chat and look for the image prompt. We write our idea in the prompt, in our case a blonde girl filming with a drone at sunset. We press enter, and the first time we have to accept the terms. We repeat the previous process and that's it, it already generates our first images. To generate images like the previous ones we wrote in Midjourney, soon blonde girl filming with a drone. It automatically begins to do its magic and generates 4 images for us. Once we have generated our 4 images, we have the U and V commands related to each generated photograph. The V are to generate variants of our image. For example, I want variants of photography 4, I press V4 and it automatically generates a variant of V4. Now that we have another 4 results, we can generate a quality image by selecting the one we like the most. I will select number 4. For this, we click on U4 and Midjourney generates that image in a larger size. Midjourney is an innovative platform that is constantly evolving, and we as content creators are committed to keeping up with all of its new features and tools. That's why we'll continue to dig into Midjourney's AI image generator, learning how to create even more engaging and personalized content for our channel. With the help of Midjourney's AI image generator, we are able to take our followers on a visually stunning journey, showing them the world's most beautiful places in a unique and creative way. Whether it's to promote a specific destination or to inspire our viewers to explore the world for themselves, the possibilities are endless. We are committed to continuing to learn and explore all of Midjourney's features to deliver quality and entertaining content to our fans, inspiring them to plan their own adventures. In short, Midjourney is a platform that allows us to unleash our creativity, and we are excited to continue discovering everything this tool can offer. In the description of the video, I leave link to recommended products in Amazon Spain. Thanks for following us.